Hey everybody, I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can automatically back up your photos and videos on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, Google Photos is a sort of online cloud-based storage service made by Google, and it is connected with Google Drive and other Google services, which means that it shares the space or the storage capacity that it has with Google Drive and other things. Now, as with any other cloud storage service, you can use it to easily store your videos and photos, except that Google Photos is, of course, exclusively for photos and videos. Google Drive is for everything else. And you can store them, back them up, transfer them from one device to another, and so on and so forth. Now, if you wish to back them up, you can do that so automatically. However, you can only do so on mobile devices. On the PC, you need to back them up manually, meaning you need to manually upload them to your Google Photos. I won't be showing you how to do that. However, I will be showing you how to turn on automatic backup on mobile here with this article. Now, to do so, you need to first make sure that everything is backed up. First, if an automatic backup started, if it was on, and if it's not, you just go ahead with these steps. First, you need to go into your Google Photos app and log into your account. Then at the top right, tap the profile picture or initial, tap the settings and then backup, and then turn backup on or off. And that's pretty much the same for both Android and iPhone. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time.